What's up, YouTube? Today we've got the key fob for the 2019 F-150 Lariat Sport Edition.
This is going to be the same for the 2018 to 2022 with the keyless start, so the smart key.
So all you do is push this in to pull your key out. Look inside the top here, so there's a little hole here. You can either pull this up with your finger or you can put the key in, kind of pop it up, but this part just pops off. That gets you into here. It's kind of a tight fit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a pen real quick, and this hole right here, I'm just going to pry in and pop that battery out. Then we're just going to put the new one in the same way. You will see the positive side with the plus will face out towards you. This is a CR2450 battery. If you're having a hard time finding these, usually your local Rite Aid, Walgreens, pharmacies, they'll have them in there. So it just slides in. This will click back in. You want to click the bottom in first and just push it in. I found out if you do the top first, sometimes this bottom doesn't snap in and stays up. Slide your key back in and it's all good. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you can.